The Breakeven Calculator is one of the most helpful features of the Altrady app. It helps you save time in decision making by letting you know whether you are still earning or losing coins from all your trades on the selected market. With this widget, you will no longer need to manually calculate trades on Excel sheets. The period section allows you to specify a period for calculation if you don't want to include some old or new trades. Just pick start and end dates to see the result. Break-even price indicates the price where there is neither no loss nor profit. You can also see this level represented by the orange line on the chart to better visualize your progress and understand your next steps. Trades in period show how many trades were found within the selected time period. Realized profit, the total profit from sold coins. Unrealized profit, the possible profit if you sell unsold coins at the current market price. Total profit, the sum of realized and unrealized profits. For each type of profit, you can see the profit percentage, the BTC or other quote currency amount, and the USD amount. At the bottom part of this widget, you will see specific details about both quote and base currencies. On the left side, invested shows how much of the quote currency was invested in this market. Recovered gives you an idea of how much of the quote currency from the invested amount has been recovered by selling coins. Remaining shows how many coins are left invested. It is a difference between the invested and recovered amounts. If the value is negative, it means that you are in profit. On the right side, you will see the information regarding the base currency. Bought, how many coins have been bought. Sold is how many coins have been sold. And remaining shows you how many coins you still have, which you can sell for more profit. Please note that you can only see the last 14-day trading history during the trial period. Trades older than 14 days will not be calculated. But once you subscribe to Altrady, you will be able to see the full history and full calculation of your trades. Note that it is possible to see the trades that you made even before you started using Altrady. You can just import your trading history, and to do it, go to the Settings menu, select Import Trade History.